Welcome back. This is Tom, and this is Tom's Radio Room Show. And I thought since I had my MFJ-226 antenna analyzer set up, I would do a little more characterizing of that 31 meter dipole antenna from Tim. He originally made this antenna for me because I told him that I most often listen to the 31 meter international broadcast band. And now he sells this on eBay because he figured other people are interested in the same band. So this antenna is designed and cut, the length and everything, for 31 meters. And you can see on this plot, 31 meters is about 9 megahertz to 10 megahertz. You can see down here the minimum SDR, which is what you want, is at 9.02, right at the bottom, actually a little below the 31 meter international broadcast band. So what we can do in this program, and this is my MFJ analyzer connected to my computer running this software that comes with it. Now I have this MFJ analyzer now in my Amazon store if you want to purchase one. I would appreciate that. So we're interested in, say, 9 to 10 megahertz. So we can go over here and change this. Now this is running real time, so it's collecting new data constantly. So we can change this bottom 3 megahertz to, let's say 8. Let's go a little below. And the top, just say 12. Let's go a little above. And then we'll hit enter. And then it'll take it a few seconds to do an update. And now we're zoomed in on that band. So now we can look in more detail in that band. I can say it's about a little above 9 megahertz to a little below 10 megahertz. So here at, there's almost the bottom, there's 9 megahertz, or actually a little below the band, meter band. And it's 1.4, which is very good. Again, SWR for receiving is not as important as for transmitting, but it's still important. I mean, if you got an antenna that shows an SWR above, say, 25 throughout the whole band, probably not a very good antenna, or something's wrong with your cable. The other thing is the cable will make a difference on the SWR reading too. And where the antenna is located, where it's near trees or wires, that has some effect on the SWR. So this is kind of, you can use this program and this analyzer to tweak your antennas. So let's see what it has. So it's going up, and let's go up to, say, 10 megahertz. It peaks out right here at about 9.8, and the SWR is still only 3.7, which is fine for receiving. If you were going to transmit, you probably want to get it lower than that, so you might have to use an antenna tuner. And then it takes a little dip here up to 10 megahertz, and then it goes up to over 11 once you get outside this range. So yes, the analyzer shows that this antenna is working at my desired frequency of the 31 meter band. So I thought I'd just show you that. I love this analyzer. It was originally given to me by MFJ for review, and I liked it so much I decided to keep it. And it really comes in handy for checking your antennas. I'll be using it more because I plan to get on the air and transmit. So I need to get that SWR down. And my new antenna from Tim, which is designed for I believe 40 meters to 6 meters, and I want to use it on 6 meters. I'll set that antenna up and I'll run the analyzer and see how it's doing in the 6 meter band to see if I need to add an antenna tuner to get the SWR down to less than 2. When you're transmitting, you want to get it down to less than 2 if possible. That's it. If you enjoyed my show, please give me a thumbs up. Like I say, I've got this now I've got this antenna analyzer in my Amazon store. The link to my new store is below each of the newer videos in the description. Bye-bye.